Good morning. Today we're going to do an unboxing. It's of the Sunroad front left power window regulator motor with motor. Okay, it's for a 2005-2009 Chevy Equinox or 2006 to 2009 Pontiac Torrent. Ships from Sunroad and the brand is Sunroad. Weight 4.9 ounces. Dimensions 23.6 times 23 times 4.3. Reasonable price at around $60. So here we have the unboxing. I already cut it open, so I'm just going to open it up here. And it's the whole regulator along with the motor. See, there's the motor, the regulator, and the port that has it's the whole unit. So it's pretty nice for around $60, like I said. You don't find them that cheap, so hopefully it looks sturdy, so stay tuned for us to put it in.